Finding viral TikTok niches can be hard, so in this video I'm going to be breaking down 5 of the most viral ones that you can implement today to get your account to either 5,000 followers for TikTok Shop or 10,000 followers for the Creator Rewards program. And just to make things more exciting, the potential of each niche as I go down the list is going to get better and better. And of course, with each niche, I'm going to be showing you guys a live page example within that niche. And I'm not going to lie, some of the pages in this video are making over $20,000 a month simply from views. So with all that being said, let's dive right into it. Alright guys, so this is the very first niche that we got right here. And as you can see, they've only posted 5 videos and they've already got, the first video got 4 million views, the second video got 650,000, the third one got 350,000, and so on. So you can see that this is a proven viral format that is working, and literally all they're doing is like, I think it's some sort of conspiracy theory about a certain political person. I'm not that deep into politics myself, but if you just look at these videos, you can kind of get an idea of what they're saying. The follower conversion, as you can see, is not great. They've gotten about 5 million views right now and they only have around 800 followers. But that's simply because they could be getting a lot more if they simply used a CTA in the caption, a CTA in the video. It's literally as simple as making the viewers want to follow you in the first place. And they would be able to get so many followers in this niche specifically with a simple CTA simply because of the emotional tie people have to these types of videos. It's really easy to get extra people to follow for a certain political view, especially if they're already emotionally tied down to it. So political accounts or political theory accounts like this would be really easy to get to 5,000 followers or 10,000 followers relatively quickly, as long as you're doing it correctly by adding a CTA like follow me if you support this party, follow me if you don't like them, just things like that. And another reason that these videos blow up a ton is simply just because the amount of comments and engagement these videos get, because there's people fighting in the comments, there's people mad at each other, there's people voicing their opinions. Let's just watch one of these videos so you can get an idea. I'll show you guys the first video that they posted that got 4 million views.
Private jet out to LA, $1 million.
So as you can see, all they're doing, this was an 19 second clip, and all they did was, this guy's really big on TikTok for a certain political view. I'm not going to get too much into that, but all they did was they put multiple sped up clips of him or edited clips of him, whatever it is, as long as it's not just completely stolen content. That's why it's original content. And so they put a few clips in here, they sped some up, they edited some, they put filters on others, they put stickers on some, and they just put a caption that says something like this. And so this is basically the entire theory behind the video, and as you can see, all of these people in the comments are talking about it. This video specifically got over 4,000 comments, and it's literally just putting a bunch of clips about a certain political view or a certain political person and then putting like the theory in the text on top of the screen. As you can see, this isn't a video that's going to make you blow up due to your watch time. It's simply just going to be for your engagement, because like I already mentioned, people are going to be talking about it, people are going to be sharing it, people are going to be commenting things. And as you can see, they've done this about 5 times, and 4 of these videos already have, each one is over 300,000 views. Let's just look at this one right here. It's the same exact format. I'll show you guys another one just so you can get a full grasp of how he's doing this, and you guys can go look at this account for yourself. So yeah, this is one of the simplest niches I've honestly ever seen, and it's very easy and quick to make. Like I said, these videos range from like 15 to 20 seconds long. And as you can see, it's literally just posting clips of the person and then putting some text on screen and basically making it a theory. But like I already mentioned, guys, the niches that I'm going to be going over in this video are consistently going to get better and better. So if you don't feel comfortable posting in a niche like this, stay tuned and watch till the end of the video, because these niches are just going to consistently get better and better. All right, boys, now this is the second niche we're going to be going over. And as you can see, this account's been in the game for quite a while. It's almost to 1 million followers. They're at 996,000. And as you can see, some of their top pinned videos have over 30 million views. So that just shows the earning potential with this niche. I'll show you guys one of these clips in a second, but all they're doing is posting a specific animal and putting different clips off of YouTube, X, whatever, and they're overlaying a specific voiceover, usually from a podcast of somebody talking about the animal. They use Joe Rogan clips in a lot of these, so as you can see, I'll show you guys one of these videos in a second, but all they're doing is posting a video like this, and they're just simply putting a Joe Rogan podcast voiceover or any other podcast where they're specifically talking about a specific animal, and they're just putting that audio under it. So let's watch this video for a second.
Sharks swimming 1,000 miles from, Louisiana up rivers and getting stuck in the Great Lakes.
Yeah, these people were
were going into the river, and these bull sharks were killing them.
Right.
Like, in a river.
Yeah.
What? Yeah, they found...
So as you can see right there, this dude literally just posted a random video of this shark swimming in a lake. And the voiceover is basically from a Joe Rogan podcast where they're talking about how bull sharks can live in fresh water now. I have no idea whether that's true or not. We got controversy in the comments, which is another reason why this video blew up. People are saying it's a salmon shark. There's never been confirmed sharks in the Great Lakes. All this controversy in the comments. And as you can see, it's not a video that's going to make you blow up off of your watch time. This is simply another type of niche to get really, really fast to 5,000 followers for TikTok Shop Affiliate, since this isn't 100% original content anyways. And since a lot of these videos aren't over a minute long, this guy's simply just building up the account to build the account or sell it or do something with it in the future. There's so many ways to make money off of having a big account rather than the creator rewards program or the TikTok Shop Affiliate. You can literally sell the account, you can do promos on it, but this is just another example of what a great niche looks like that's actually working for people. I mean, he's built it up to almost 1 million followers just by using this specific niche. And as you can see, he's not doing that same specific style every video. Some of them he's doing slideshows, some of them he's doing videos, some of them he's doing like documentary style. So let's just watch this one so you guys can get another idea of how he's doing this.
Crocodiles don't die of old age. They either die of starvations or diseases. In the wild, these bitches can live up to 70 years. And some have been recorded to live over 100. The biggest croc ever recorded was over 20 feet long, and this some bitch weighed over 2,000 pounds. His name was Gustav. Yeah, this motherfucker had a name. This motherfucking dude was a menace. He flatlined over 300 people. Till this day, Gustav is still alive. But the problem is, they don't know where the fuck dude at. It was last seen in the Burundi, located in East Africa. Flatlining human.
All right, now we're not gonna watch that entire video because I don't wanna waste too much of your guys' time, but as you can see, I got a few ideas from that. I don't know if you guys have any ideas from that. But what you can do to monetize a specific niche like this is you can easily find a scary picture of a big crocodile or a big shark or a big whatever. It doesn't even have to be a video. You can literally just find a picture like this or even generate a picture with AI. And then you can literally just use AI tools to make it from picture to video. If you guys want to learn how to do all that, just join the free Discord down in the description. I don't want to bring that too much into this video, but I'm always in there just helping members out and answering questions. But what you could do with that is, since it would be an AI picture to an AI video, that is completely original, and you can literally just make a few of them and make it a minute long and add an 11 Labs voiceover like this over to that video. I'm pretty sure that was a podcast clip that they put the voiceover as, but you can literally just do the same exact script since it's proven to work and just use 11 Labs and make it an AI voiceover. So everything would be AI, everything would be monetizable, everything would be completely original. All right, now this is the next niche we're going to be going over, and this is literally just soccer quizzes. I like this account a lot because they've really mastered the art of niching down. This is why I tell you guys to niche down on your content, because when you do that, you're naturally going to get pushed to people who are more interested in whatever you're posting about. For example, this guy's doing simple quizzes, and I'm not saying to niche down on what the quizzes are about. I'm saying niche down specifically with like the narrator of the quizzes. As you can see, this guy's having a soccer ball narrate the entire quiz. So this not only relates to people who just want to watch the questions being asked, but it also pulls in people who enjoy watching things like soccer. As you can see, this account's at 25,000 followers, and the views are pretty consistent. As you can see, they're ranging from like 8 to 10,000 views, and then some of them hit 500,000, 300,000 back to back. And they started this account on the 26th of November. So it hasn't even been a full 2 months of posting, and they're literally at 25,000 followers. This niche is completely monetizable with the creator rewards program, and that's exactly what they're doing because all their videos are over a minute long. So let's just watch one of these so you guys can get an idea of how they're doing it.
There are 3 moves in the world that cannot be repeated. Most people quit after the second move. Can you survive all 3? First move, try to repeat this strange gesture with your fingers. If you did it, then leave a photo in the comments. You are part of the 19% of people on the planet who can do it. Next move, try to like and follow using only the bone in the middle of your fist. I bet you can't do it.
Right there, second question, already engagement farming with the questions. And this is something you guys really need to focus on and do inside of your quiz videos, because if you just have normal questions, you're not going to get as much engagement as somebody who's saying you can't like the video with your fist. Naturally, people are going to want to try and prove the quiz wrong, so they're obviously going to like the video. Even though liking the video doesn't really help much get the video pushed. I haven't even watched this full video, but I highly doubt they don't do one for sharing the video, because shares and comments are really, really king when it comes to what engagement actually boosts your video. So let's just keep watching this video. Also, I don't know if you guys saw this in the beginning, but this is very, very eye-catching. You definitely saw it, and you were definitely like, what the heck is going on? What is this question or what is this quiz going to be about? This is a very, very eye-catching visual that this guy put at the beginning of his video, and he probably does it on every single one of these videos, simply because you need to have a visual hook on these quizzes. And he didn't even ask a question that relates to whatever's going on here. He simply has it on the beginning of his video to eye-catch people in and visually hook them into the video. So with everything this video's got going on, like this visual hook, this soccer ball talking, this quiz at the top, it's almost impossible for the viewer to scroll past that. So let's just finish watching this video really quick.
Third move, long press on the comment button and pick one of the 4 emojis.
What I tell you guys, comment CTA right there to boost the comments, so let's just keep watching. I highly doubt he doesn't do one for shares as well.
If you pick this one, bye-bye, you are out. If you're still in the game, save this video just so I know. But
save CTA right there as well. When saves actually do play a good part in engagement because it shows TikTok that people are going to go watch your video later. But let's just carry on with this.
by the way, did you know that if you follow me, I'll kick my own head like a soccer ball? 4th example.
So I guess every single one of these questions in this quiz are going to be specifically to farm engagement. That's a really good follow CTA that you can use, like follow to see my profile picture, animate, things like that. And this is simply just going to get him so many followers. As you can see, he probably has around like a total of 3 million views on the account, and he already has 20,000 followers. So that's a pretty good conversion if you ask me. Let's just carry on with this.
Who is the first person that appears after you click on share and then tap on more?
All right, we don't even have to continue because it answered all my questions and shows you guys that I literally know exactly what I'm talking about. If you guys wanted to replicate this niche for yourself, I would literally just use the same exact scripts from viral videos that have worked. And obviously you want to have a visual hook at the beginning like every single one of this guy's videos do. All right, so the next niche that we're going to be going over, this is the 4th one on the list. So the next niche is actually insane. You guys need to wait for that one. But all this is a very big niche on YouTube Shorts. I know that. But all this dude is doing is taking a viral clip that went viral on either Snapchat, X, YouTube, whatever it is. He's adding an 11 Labs voiceover and he's adding things on the screen to animate the video more. So let's just watch this video that got 8.1 million views.
This is why some speed bumps should be banned. When police noticed that everyone was speeding on this stretch of road, they decided to install an artificial bump right in the middle of the lane. Some drivers spotted the obstacle in time and slowed down smoothly, but others didn't notice it and hit it at full speed, launching into the air.
So as you can see, literally what I just said, voiceover over a viral video and a viral clip. Captions on the screen. This one, this dude added a little bit of more effects to it, so let's just watch this one as well. Got 5.8 million views.
This man claims that golf is a game of luck. Even if you roll the ball the exact same way, sometimes it goes into the hole, and sometimes it doesn't. The reason is that the grass is never perfectly even. The outcome of the experiment proved his point.
That's literally it. And as you can see, this guy's not in the Creator Rewards program. I'm not sure why he's promoting this account. Definitely just for one of those reasons, like I mentioned before, you can either sell your account to make money off of it, or you can just do promos on it. But what I would do with this niche is if you're going to use this niche, as you can see, it's really viral. You can literally use the same videos, same script, just add different effects and different caption styles. But what I would do is specifically use this niche to grow to 5,000 followers for TikTok Shop Affiliate, because I do not think this niche would last long in the Creator Rewards program, simply because your whole base of your video relies on another viral video. Unlike some of the quiz niches that I've gone over in the past where the background's plain, the animated characters AI, the videos are AI, nothing about those videos are unoriginal. All right, boys, now the final niche that you have been waiting for. This is, in my opinion, one of the best and hottest niches out right now. It's the same sort of subject as what we've gone over with these previous quizzes, but what they're doing is they're doing it specifically a specific quiz inside of a quiz niche, if that makes sense. Kind of sounds confusing at first, but once you guys watch one of these videos, you'll understand. This account has 26,000 followers, and they just started posting not too long ago. And as you can see, these views are pretty insane, consistent over 100,000 views on every single post, basically. And their pinned videos have over 6 million views, 4 million views, and 4 million views. But what they're doing is every single one of these quizzes are the exact same niche. All it mainly is guess the theme song from the specific movie. So let's just watch one of these so you can get an idea.
Guess the movie from the theme song. Jurassic Park. Star Wars. Double tap the screen if you remember these two. Our famous Rocky. Psst. Someone is stalking you. Click share then more, and first person who pops up is your stalker.
CTA engagement hack right there to get a bunch of shares on your video, which basically when you can do that, it is such a cheat code. It basically gives you so many shares to your video because people just share it, especially the people who have never heard that CTA before, because obviously it's not a real thing. You're not going to hit share that more and see who's stalking you. It's just a way to get a bunch of engagement on your videos, and this works very well. But let's just carry on with this video.
The best movie of all time, Top Gun Maverick.
Now, by the way, as you guys can see, you've probably already got to tell, but some of these videos that he's putting in the background for each specific song are not original. Some of them are straight from the movie, which could really be a red flag for TikTok, especially if you're in the creator rewards program, to where they'll ban your account or they'll kick you out of the program because it's not original content. Literally, a simple fix that he could use is literally just AI generate the background. So you can prompt VO3 to give you an AI generated version of whatever you want. And that would suit the background perfectly for these types of videos. So that's what you would have to do to make these videos completely original. But besides that, everything else is completely original. TikTok shouldn't really care about the sound. It should only matter about the content in the video. That video right there only got 280,000 views and is honestly kind of low for this channel. So let's just watch this 6 million view one.
Name the movie from the theme song, starting easy.
Like, as you can see, guys, this background here, you can't even tell if it's AI generated or not. So even if it was AI generated, it's going to get the same amount of engagement, if not more. And it's going to certify that your video is original because you're only using original content. You're putting text on the screen along with a 11 Labs voiceover and then extracted audio of whatever audio you're going to use.
Jurassic Park. Star Wars. Indiana Jones. Like, if you got first 3 right. James Bond. Rocky. Now the hardest one, so don't forget to comment your...
Now, as you can see, boys, that's literally all that account was doing. And it does look like they're in the creator rewards program simply because every single one of their videos is over a minute long. I don't know how long that's going to last since they're using clips straight out of a movie. But if you were to AI generate the clips for the background, you would be completely fine. But long story short, the main thing with this niche is if you use the specific format where it's guess the song from the movie, I would not doubt that you wouldn't go viral in less than 7 days of posting, if that. All right, I hope you guys now have a bit more knowledge of what it actually takes to go viral and actually how easy it can be to go viral on TikTok, as long as you're using the right niche and using something that people are actually going to resonate and engage with. The best thing you could do moving forward from this video is literally just take action and apply the knowledge that I've just given you in this video. Like I say in almost every single one of my YouTube videos, you can watch as many of my YouTube videos as you want, but if you don't take any action, you're not going to get the things that you actually want. You could be the smartest person in the world, but if you don't have the effort to actually apply that knowledge, it's basically useless. Yeah, like I already mentioned earlier, if you're not in the free Discord already, I highly recommend getting in there simply because I'm always helping guys out, answering questions and things like that. And I also drop daily sauce in there as well. But we're going to start doing weekly AMAs where you can ask me anything about TikTok. So once again, if you guys aren't in there, I would highly recommend just joining the free Discord. But yeah, other than that, I'm also going to have my premium group in the description as well, where you literally get the proven niches that I'm using and everything else that you need when it comes to going viral and making money on TikTok. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe, because once again, I'm going to be posting consistently on here. And if you guys specifically needed to figure out how to edit these types of videos, just watch the other videos on my page. I have tons of editing tutorials going over specific niches that actually work in real time. But yeah, without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next video.